This is the space that we've taken over, empty car park in the Blues ground, going to be transformed into kind of an artisan markets, food trucks.
It was important that we stayed in the heart of Small Heath. Coventry Road is literally right behind us. Here we are, St Andrews, Birmingham City Football Club.
Behind these gates, we are transforming this space into an art zone where there'll be these beautiful, poignant images, portraits from Birmingham. We've collected people from Birmingham, inviting them into our studio and photographing them. Ramadan Streets is for people of all background. We don't really have enough spaces for people to experience each other's cultures and backgrounds enough.
It's from the 4th till the 8th of March. Every day we will be open from 5:30 p.m. till 11:30.
Birmingham City Football Club, really, with their grand visions for the city, it's amazing that we've been able to host it here at the grounds here, and they've been a massive partner. Really exciting that BCFC have kind of joined us on this journey.
Tickets are available for £1 only plus booking fee. RamadanStreets.com. Get them now.